Hello there. Welcome to Mazuma and welcome to the world of business ownership. Owning and operating your own small business is no small task. I congratulate you for embarking on this challenging yet very rewarding adventure. I also congratulate you for signing up for Mazuma's Business Basic Plan. That's a great first step. We both know you are probably not an accountant and could use some help staying out of trouble with the IRS. My name is Ben Sutton, and I'm a CPA and founder of Mazuma USA. I've been working with small businesses like yours for many years now and have become intimately aware of the issues you face. Heck, I face them every day myself. Mazuma was built to help you solve those issues related to accounting and taxes. As soon as you form or start operating a business, government agencies like the IRS have certain expectations of you, such as keeping records of all your business transactions, filing the correct business tax return, and paying relevant business taxes. One thing is for sure, you do not want to be caught at tax time with an unexpected tax bill or be caught out of compliance because of something you didn't know that you didn't know. Again, that's why we're here. So let's jump into it. With Mazuma's Business Basic Plan, you get the basic services you need to keep you compliant with the tax agency's rules from an income tax perspective. This is the perfect plan for a startup business. As your company grows and as your need for more comprehensive services increases, we can easily upgrade you to our full service. But Business Basic is a great place to start. And here's what's included. First, bookkeeping services on a quarterly basis. Over the years, we've found that startup businesses don't usually require more frequent bookkeeping updates than quarterly. As you grow and find that you do need monthly bookkeeping, we can certainly talk about upgrading your plan. This means we will be keeping track of your business income and expense transactions for you and reconciling your bank account every quarter. By doing the bookkeeping, we capture all of the deductions you deserve and make it so you pay less taxes. Also, you can view your financial reports and see how much profit or loss you've generated each quarter. You can rest assured that your business finances are in order and not laying around in some shoebox. Second, tax preparation services each year. Mazuma will prepare the correct business tax return for you at the end of each year. The return that we prepare for you depends on your entity type. Single-member LLCs and sole proprietors are required to report their business activity on Schedule C of the personal tax return. This means you will need to incorporate that schedule into your personal tax return. If you'd like, we can prepare and file your personal tax return for you for an additional fee. All other businesses report their business activity on a separate tax form. The third component of Mazuma's services is the help and support from our professional accountants. As you'll quickly find out, the world of business accounting and taxes is complicated and often overwhelming. There are numerous tax laws and nuances in accounting that you'll have questions about. With the Business Basic Plan, the best way to get answers to your questions is to submit those questions via email. Sometimes a simple answer to a question about your specific situation is invaluable. Rather than stress and wonder if you're interpreting Google's results correctly, just ask us the question. Now, we are ready to log into Mazuma Dash and get started. To log into Mazuma Dash, enter your username and password, then click Log In. This will take you here to the home page. This page provides a quick summary of the project Mazuma is working on for you. Most importantly, you will see a message here in this column that informs you of what we are waiting for you to send us. This means the ball is in your court. If you have any questions about what these things are, please reach out as soon as possible using the contact information below. Off to the right, we have announcements for the upcoming events and other relevant information. The important dates section will keep you informed of upcoming deadlines for taxes. When you decide to upgrade to Mazuma's full-service business plan, you get direct access to a bookkeeper and tax professional who are specifically dedicated to your account. Here in these sections, you will see the status of your most recent communication with them and have access to a link you can use to schedule a meeting. Super valuable for getting consultation on your specific bookkeeping and tax situation. If we click Bank Accounts on the left menu, you are taken to the page where you link your business bank and credit card accounts. The software will walk you through the process of linking your accounts. Once linked, Mazuma will automatically download your transactions and complete your bookkeeping and reconciliation service. It's important for you to only link your business bank accounts to the software. Rule number 1 in accounting is to keep your business and personal transactions separate. But don't panic if you're using the same account for business and personal transactions. We can work with that. You just will not link your bank account until you have a dedicated business account. I will mention here that there are rare cases where our software does not recognize your bank, particularly if you use a very small credit union. In that case, we will need you to upload digital copies of your bank and credit card statements. Speaking of uploading documents, let's click on My Files. Digital statements can be uploaded by going back onto the dash and clicking My Files on the left bar menu. Here, there's a simple file structure used to organize all of the documents you send us. You can drag and drop or click Browse and navigate to upload files. All files you upload will land here in the Home folder and will then be organized into the subfolders for you. Next, let's take a look at your financial reports. Click Reports on the left menu to view a list of all the various financial reports. Typically, the most useful one will be the income statement. Here you can see your income and expenses all organized for you. This is the result of our bookkeeping work. You are now able to see how much income you brought in, what expenses you incurred, and your net profit or loss. This report is absolutely critical for tax planning and preparation purposes. Of course, you can view this report on a monthly or yearly basis. There are also a variety of other reports that may be of interest to you. So what's next? As you leave this meeting, I want you to remember 3 things. First, link your business bank accounts or upload your statements to My Files. That's how we get access to your business transactions. Without that, we can't do your bookkeeping. If you don't have dedicated business accounts yet, upload a list of business transactions to My Files instead of the statements. Second, ask questions. We are real people, real accountants sitting here in a real office. Don't hesitate to ask us for help. Third, please respond to the questions that we send to you. We only ask for things that are important for keeping you out of trouble and ensuring you pay as little taxes as possible. The quicker you can get us the information we are asking for, the better we can serve you. As I told you in the beginning, small business ownership is a big undertaking, but I'll bet you are a person of big character. My grandpa used to tell me, real freedom comes with being your own boss, and I'll tell you what, it's true. Whether this business you started is going to be your primary source of income in the future or a little side gig, I wish you the best of luck and look forward to helping you pay as little taxes as possible. I'll see you later.